All right, let's do this lab. This is the Mole Money Mole Problems lab, and it's a home lab. So we're just gonna walk around my house and see if we can find some stuff to measure. So we're gonna start in my kitchen. I'm actually gonna switch the camera. I think we can do that, right? Maybe? Nope, maybe not. I don't know, whatever. Okay, so let's go around my house. We'll look at my kitchen. Up in here, my cabinet, I'm gonna grab my kitchen scale. Oh no, I put it on the counter. So there's my kitchen scale. So this is good for measuring small things. Let's go ahead, we'll look in my cabinet. Oh, I've got baking. Oh, I've got a bigger thing of baking soda. We can use that instead. This is sugar. So we are looking for any sort of substance that's just made up of one thing. So if we can think of what its element or compound would be, that's good. Something like flour is not good because it's made up of too many things, but sugar is sucrose, and we could find that formula really easily. So let's grab that. Let's see, salt. Salt would also be good. Let's see if I have, oh, I got some salt back here somewhere. It's hiding. Oh, this is good. This is cream of tartar, so we can try some of that. That's tartaric acid. That's good. Oh, this is salt. That'll work. Let's see. Oh, the baking soda. Yeah, I've got a big thing of baking soda down here. Oof, that weighs a lot. Okay. Let's see if we can find anything else. What else would be good? Oh, I've got a box of nails in my junk drawer. There we are. So those are good. What else? In a pinch. Let's wander around. I'm gonna go find my kitchen scale too, so I can show you. Now, if we're using a kitchen scale, we have to have big things that weigh a lot. So, just looking around, seeing if I see anything. Oh, candles. They're made up of a bunch of different things, but if we just assume it's paraffin wax, I've got a whole bunch of candles in here. Candles. I've got 2 boxes actually, so pretty good. Let's grab those. Oh, and a bathroom scale. So we'll go into the bathroom over here. It's one of my many plants. Bathroom scale. This is one of mine. It reads pounds and kilograms, so that's pretty good. Is that enough stuff? Trying to think if I've got much else. Come back to the kitchen. Okay. Awesome. I'll put you guys there. So here's all my stuff that we can measure. Let's start with the baking soda. So baking soda is sodium bicarbonate. You can also call it sodium hydrogen carbonate. It's an ionic compound. You can figure that out pretty easily. So we'll put this big bag on the bathroom scale. And it looks like, I don't know if there's a way to switch this around. Oh well. Looks like, to me, it's about 10 pounds or about 5 kilograms. So you're probably going to want to use the kilograms. You're going to need to convert that to grams, and then you should be able to convert to moles pretty easily. So that's good. Let's try the candles next. See if they weigh enough. Okay. That looks to me like it is 4 pounds or maybe like 2 kilograms. So that you're gonna have to look up the molar mass, look up the formula for paraffin wax. That should be pretty good. Or you could look up candle wax formula. It's definitely made of more than one thing, but we'll just pretend and it'll be fine. Let's do the sugar. Throw that on here. It has a plastic container, but we'll just pretend the plastic doesn't weigh much. I actually have another container over here. Actually I have a third. So I took a big bag of sugar and I put it into these plastic ones because that's just how I like to roll. All right, let's see how much sugar we got. That looks to me like maybe 6.5 pounds It's also probably about 5 kilos. Something like that, maybe a little more. All right, that's sugar. So we've weighed a couple things. I want to try these nails. So I've got this box of nails. We're going to assume that they're iron. Nope, they don't read on the scale at all. So let's not use that. Okay, I think it's time to move on to the kitchen scale. So the kitchen scale, my kitchen scale, it's actually my roommate's. Currently it's measuring in kilograms. Let's see if we can change the unit on it. Hold on, let me put it down here. You guys see that? I know, this is probably like the worst filmed video ever. That's pounds, that's no good. Ounces, oh, grams, that's perfect. How convenient. Okay, let's weigh some stuff. Let's just do this bag. This is, again, cream. It's called cream of tartar. You can look up the formula for it. It's also known as tartarate or tartaric acid. It's one of the ingredients in baking powder. It's kind of used as a buffer for baking soda, so it's not quite so basic. We're going to learn more about that in Unit 11 and a lot more. Oh, actually, hold on. I got to let's hit the tare button to get it to 0. There we go. Can you guys see that? Okay. Yeah, so if you hit this tare button, tare means 0. So we'll put this on, and it looks like we have 114 grams. So that's one of the data points you could use. Let's grab our iron nails. We're going to assume the box doesn't weigh anything. Okay, so that looks like it's 376 grams. So that's pretty good. I like that. That'll do. Maybe, you know what? I'm gonna weigh. Let me go grab another candle. Let's just weigh one candle. I want to see what one candle weighs. We'll get a better read. This is something you can learn. There we go. It's kind of ugly, but it'll work. Something that you learn is that the equipment you use makes a really big difference in accuracy, and you want to use the correct equipment for the correct thing. This kitchen scale, if you tried to stand on it, you'd break it. So this is 98 grams. So that's considerably more precise. Okay, I dig it. Let's see what else we got. Oh, we have salt. So NaCl, sodium chloride. 1 second. Put it down over here. All right, I'm gonna pour some into the lid. So this is a cool technique. I'll show you how you can do this. It's pretty neat. So I want to use the lid as like a little dish. So I can put it on the scale, the balance. I call these balances. And if I hit tare, it will 0 out the dish. So now whatever I pour is just the salt. So that is 20 grams of salt. So you could figure out how many moles that amount of salt is. That's a lot of salt. Although if you look at your food labels, you'd find that like it's not that hard to eat 20 grams of salt, which is really bad. You shouldn't eat that much salt. It's too much salt. I mean, salt's delicious, but it's not the best thing in the world for you. Okay, let's do one more thing just for funsies. This is my, it's a ring that I got from my grandmother. This ring is white gold. So it's actually not gold. It's an alloy of gold and silver and other stuff. So if you want to look up, sorry, almost got a phone call there. If you want to look up the, like the percents of gold, you might be able to figure out the molar mass of, or how many, like moles of different elements are in this. But we'll weigh it just for fun. Let me hit the tare button again. Perfect. Never mind, it's not going to weigh. Okay, it's too light. So that's no fun. My guess is it's probably about a gram or 2. It's probably less than 3 grams. Just to let you know, a paper clip is about a gram. So if you ever want to know approximately what you're looking at there. All right, so I have given you quite a few options. You've got sugar, which is sucrose. So be careful, don't just look up sugar formula, look up sucrose formula. It's not glucose, it's different. You've got baking soda, which is sodium bicarbonate or sodium hydrogen carbonate. You've got candles, which is pretty much just paraffin wax. We've got nails, which are made of iron. We've cream of tartar, which is tartaric acid or tartarate. and we have salt. So those are a couple of options. You just need to pick 3. Have at it. Let me know if you have questions later on.